Welcome to Copenhagen, which was the second port on a Scandinavian cruise. We decided to take the shuttle to the city centre. This cost €20 for a return ticket. The journey itself takes about 25 minutes. I had long wanted to visit Copenhagen, and this was one of the reasons why we decided to be on this cruise. In this video I will show you the journey from the city centre to Tivoli Gardens. Tivoli Gardens is an amusement park that opened in 1843. It's the third oldest operating amusement park in the world. It was also highly influential to Walt Disney when he was creating Disneyland. Our shuttle drops us off at the Rosenborg Barracks, which is next door to Rosenborg Castle. As it was such a beautiful day, we decided to walk to Tivoli Gardens. As you can see, Copenhagen was a bustling place with lots of places for people to sit outside and have some food and some drinks. This is the inner city area of Copenhagen. And along with all the beautiful architecture, was actually the starting point of the Tour de France 2022, which was going to take place just a couple of days after our visit. To foreign cities, we like to end up in an Irish pub, and Copenhagen was no different. The Dubliner had a great selection of cold beers, which was perfect on this very hot day. After a pint, we decided to head back out again and head back off to Tivoli.
Let's think about area.
We then saw what I believe to be some of the Tour de France cyclists riding around. By this stage, Tivoli was only a few more blocks away. And this beautiful building is Copenhagen City Hall. Show you this amazing amusement park in my Here we are at Tivoli Gardens. Many thanks for watching. If you'd like to, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.